I mentioned in my last video I was going fall shopping, so let's check out what I got at HomeGoods. Firstly, I got these 2 pumpkin garlands to put on our mantle back there, and I thought these would be really cute. They had 4 different colors. There was like a golden yellow, and then there was also a more like muted red color, but I thought these 2 would look best in our home. I got 2 more candles. No, I didn't need 2 more candles, but these smelled good, and you can't not smell candles when you're in HomeGoods. So I got October 31st from Red Fern Home, and this smells so good. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. Just like decadent, very gourmand. And then I also got Midnight Bloom, which is a blend of soft green florals, jasmine, violet, mandarin, and amber. The other one didn't have a description. And this is one of their woodwick ones, and it's really yummy. If I need another mug, like I need a hole in the head. But this one was so cute. Look at him. And then you guys can't see it, but I have a mug display here. And once fall and winter come, I switch the mugs out for more thematic ones, and he's definitely going on the wall. And then I picked up 2 syrups that I'll be using in coffee. This is the pumpkin spice, and this is the French vanilla, and I think these will be yummy. I spent the day shopping with friends, so let's check out what I got at Marshall's. So these first few items I got at Marshall's are really not all that interesting. I got these little headbands for washing my face, to keep my hair out of my face. I got these extra large hair clips, kind of practical stuff, not that interesting. And I also got the Real Techniques sponges. I'm not that big into sponges right now, but I'm thinking I'm trying to become more of a sponge girly. So got these, and we'll be using those. I don't know how to show this, but I got this set of 3 pumpkin shaped pillows. There's a darker orange, a medium orange, and this white one. They all have like this really cute little stem, and we have like 3 different distinct corners on our couch, so I'll be putting those on the couch. I also got some clothing, and I will be doing a try on of these, but I'll just show it to you real quick. Got this really cute polka dot skirt, and it's like pleated and really adorable, very me. Then the next thing I got was a set. It is this really cute white on white checkered set, so it came with a top and a skirt, and I felt so confident in this when I tried it on. It's like it was made for me. I love it. I will be doing a try on with these and a pair of pants I got at Target.